Understanding the concept of absentee bid. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the term absentee bid. This phrase might sound a bit formal, but it's actually quite straightforward once you get to know it. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, an auction enthusiast, or simply expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dissect the term absentee bid. An absentee is a person who is not present at an event, and a bid is an offer of a price, especially at an auction. So, an absentee bid is an offer made by someone who cannot attend the auction in person. An absentee bid is usually submitted in advance, either through a form or online. The auction house then bids on behalf of the absentee, up to the maximum amount specified. This allows the bidder to participate without being physically present. You might wonder, why would someone choose to make an absentee bid? The reasons vary. It could be due to scheduling conflicts, geographical distance, or simply preferring to remain anonymous. It's a convenient option for those with busy lives or those who live far from the auction location. Making an absentee bid can be strategic. It allows bidders to set their maximum limit in advance, which can prevent getting caught up in the heat of the moment and overbidding. It's a way to stay within budget and still have a chance at winning the item. And there you have it, a simple explanation of what an absentee bid is and why it might be used. Remember, it's all about participating without being physically present, whether for convenience or strategy. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject for you. Happy bidding, and until next time, keep learning.